Hi everyone, this is Kishor here again from Multi-Dynamic Southport. We'll talk about the property market, what's the trend at the moment, what kind of buyers we have, and also what properties available on the market, what's been sold, what's happening around the Southport, as well as we talk about the whole Queensland market, where we are heading at. In this session, I normally invite the guest, which is I have invited only special guest for next week's show. So please stay tuned. We'll just start from the Multi-Dynamic Southport. What kind of properties that we have on the market at the moment? We do have a lot of off-market properties. If you are looking around Kumera or Pimpama, or even a Logan Reserve, Mulindina, and a few other suburbs that we are selling off-market. Off-market means those property doesn't come on the market. We sell it internally through our database or through our clients. So you will not see those kind of properties on the market. I will start with the property that we have currently listed and on the market, and the inquiries has been going very strong, and we are hoping to get this sold within the next few days or next open homes. So this property itself, it just listed, it just came on the market yesterday in Asmore. It's 2/15 Galloway Drive, Asmore. It's semi-detached duplex, 3-bedroom, 1 bathroom, 2 garages. Currently rented at 410, but its actual rental appraisal is about 520. So it's perfect for an investor looking to invest in a prime location here on the Gold Coast, or if you are on Occupy, or you just want to get something entry-level property, it is the perfect opportunity for you. So it's situated in Asmore, very central locations, schools, parks, shopping centres, just about 10 minutes drive to Surfers Paradise, and located in a very central position, and it has got the park at the back of the house as well. So there's a property, there's opportunity for you if you want to grab it. Please send the inquiry through to us. The other property we have is in Oxenford, 11 Ormond Street, Oxenford. It's a fantastic contemporary house in a very quiet locations, but it centrally located. It's a 4-bedroom, 2 bathroom, 2 garages. Had lots of features in it. This is the most inspected property, I would say. If you want to live in the property or invest, this is another opportunity for you. So it has got a master with ensuite, a big bedroom sizes, walk-in pantry, 2 ways, a deck. So you will potentially have a space to build a pool as well if you like to build a pool in the future. If you are interested on the Gold Coast here in Oxenford, very prime location, I would strongly recommend you to send me the contact, send me the inquiries. We are doing an open homes this Saturday at 10 a.m. to 10:30. So please don't miss out this opportunity. The other one I have here at the moment is in Robina. What a fantastic way to invest in this apartment. It's potentially for investors, I should say, or this is a student accommodation style apartment. If you want to buy, if you are a student, if you want to buy and live in the property, this is the fantastic opportunity. Very, very low price. We're asking 20k plus offers. So this is a great entry-level property, whether you want to live in or invest. This is currently rented at $420 a week. So imagine you're buying a property around $220 to $250 mark and getting a rental $420 a week. You're already sitting on a positive side after paying the mortgage and stuff. So 626/25 Lakewood Drive, Robina. So this is another opportunity for you if you are a student or if you are an investor looking for the good positive cash flow. This is another opportunity for you. So these are the 3 properties that we have at the moment. I have a brand new property in Kumira, recently completed last year. It's up for sale off market. Fantastic, fully upgraded property. 4 bedroom, 2 bathroom, 2 cars, one media. I love the ensuite, big master bedrooms, and yet located in a very prime location in Kumira. So these are the properties that's currently available on the market. Just going back to a few properties that's gone under contract last week is 4 Corner Way in Pimpama. I would like to congratulate to our colleague Asis and a buyer. It went under contract in first open homes. I would just say probably in 3 days on the market. That's a great achievement. We have another property, apartment went under contract potentially last week on the weekend. It's Bigger Waters, Waterpoint Residence, 3506/5 Harborside Code, Bigger Waters, that went under contract as well last week. So there are the properties that's currently on the market or under contract. We have a few other existing properties on the market, or off market. If you are looking something, please do let us know what's your requirements, what are the areas that you are looking, what kind of budget you have. Then we'll definitely happy to try to find you the property that you are looking for. Let's go back to the market trend. What's it looks like since the new year started. Now we've been up to mid-March. However, we have not seen much changes in the market condition. However, we have realized the last few weeks that the more stocks are heading into the market at the moment. So that means buyers are getting more choices. The buyers are getting an opportunity to go to more open homes. So that's a good indication for the buyers that they have more choices than before. And it's kind of a very tricky situation as well. That if you are looking for a property around certain locations, you have a certain budget. If the property meets your requirements, please go ahead with that, because there's still heaps of buyers around that's still looking for last few months. So there you go. That's a good indication that we have seen a few movements on the property cycle. The properties has been going into the second open homes if the first open homes are selling. But yet decision is to be made if you find the property that you are looking for. Still seeing a lot of land scarcity here in the Queensland, especially most of the estates are looking owner-occupied dominant. So that lots of investors are struggling to find the land to invest, because most of the key the land developers or estates has been pretty much 80-90% owner-occupied dominant. But yet we do have few other stocks that's perfect for the investors with good rental returns, good capital growth, and future developments around. So please get in touch with our team if you are looking for a brand new property or looking to build a house in Queensland, in Southeast Queensland. I would just want to show you one clip for the investors. If you are looking for the investment properties, what information that you should know, that's the key 4 points I just would like to show you. There you go. 4 key points that we can see is obviously number 4 is diversify your investment. So the more you diversify your investment portfolio, the more opportunity that you get growth. And when you do the diversity on the investment, if you don't If something goes wrong in one property, then the other property which is doing right can cover your mortgage, kind of stuff. So it's very important to understand the diversity of your investment. So again, if you are a buyer or investor on the market, do your own research about the area, whether they are flood risk zone, or they have any other industrial developments going around the side, or they any easements that's going to affect in the growth of the property in the future, or is there going to be any issues when selling a property in the future as well. So that kind of information you can get it from the local council, city council, or ask your local real estate agent who is expert at getting those information for you. We have been getting a lot of inquiries from interstate that lots of people wanting to move in, or they want to invest in Queensland. Obviously, Queensland has been one of the top destination for investors or the owner-occupiers. That is why we have seen a lot of interested people moving into the Queensland because of you can name it, whether it's because of the Olympics or living style. Anything can be the key points to move into Queensland. However, those who are looking to invest or are buying a property in Queensland, do make sure that you check the local areas, check the coming what's kind of developments what kind of neighborhood, because you're buying from probably you probably not even be able to see the property, or you're probably not coming to see the property, but that does affect a lot of things that you do without seeing a property. So you won't know. Obviously, you go through the local agents, but it is very important that you need to understand the locality of the property, or what kind of neighborhood there is in the property, what kind of investment portfolio around the street, what sort of tenants living around, and any council developments, any easements, any infrastructure coming up. That's going to probably affect it will add up on your property value, but it does give negative impact as well in certain properties. So you just need to make sure that you do your own research before making any decisions, I will say. But we are here to help you. We are here to give you the right advice, whether it's going to fit within your budget or requirements, or if it's an investment property, we make sure that that property gives you good value, good rental return, plus future capital growth. We have a team here in the Gold Coast, in Brisbane, and we are here to serve you wherever you like, wherever you are looking in Southeast Queensland. Plus, we do have a full-time property management who is dealing with property management. If you have an investment property in Queensland, do let us know. We are more than happy to manage your property with a very competitive rate, plus yet a very, very focused on service to maximize your return or maximize investment property return as well. I would be more than happy to answer any questions that you may have. You can send me on a private chat or the public chat, whatever you used to. But I'm probably wrapping up now for this week. We will have any special guest coming on my show next week. Please do stay tuned. Yet, please, if you have any inquiries about real estate, if you're looking to buy or sell, please do not hesitate to contact us. We have been selling the property in a top dollar in a very less time and a very cost-effective way as well, if you are looking to sell the property. All right, I think that's pretty much it for today. Thank you very much for joining us, whoever joined in, and I look forward to assisting you on your real estate needs. For any advice you needed, please do contact me or our team at Multidynamics Southport. That's it for today. Thanks very much for joining. You have a great day. Thank you.